Hey, man, this channel here, we do one part only. Been doing this 29 years and counting, over 50,000 golf carts fixed. Here we have an 89 through a 93 golf cart. You can tell because in the middle of the batteries, you'll see a controller, your solenoid, and your potentiometer. That means it's 89 through 93. 88 and back, the wiper contact was in the middle. But here the problem we're having is, whenever you floor the golf cart, the cart shuts down. As long as you run fine, slow, it does perfect. Half speed does good. 3/4 does good. But as soon as you floor the gas pedal, the cart shuts off. So what I'm going to do here is show you how to test your potentiometer. You want to put your voltmeter on the ohms, 20K. And also, let me tell you this here, man. Off your potentiometer, you have a black and a white wire that goes to the bottom of the F&R board. Unplug that, because what it does is half speed in reverse. When it goes bad on that side, it shuts the car down. So what we're going to do is unplug the potentiometer wire that go to the controller, which is your black and your white wire. We're going to put the red lead in one, and then we're going to put the black lead in one. And then what we're going to do is hit the gas. And when we hit the gas, we should get 0 to 5K out of it. Like I've always said, on this controller here, you can use this controller on some club car models, because some of the club car models carry the same 0 to 5K also. But you can tell which one it is by on a club car, same style controller. It's just the last yellow tab is for 5 to 0. Now you see I'm hitting the gas. We're going 0 to 5. All right. Now you see, look at it. Anything over 7 ohms, the cart shuts down. So right now I'm flooring it, and you can see we're at 7 ohms, 7.3. So what? All right, you seen it there, man. Potentiometer bad, replace it. If I've ever helped you, man, hit that subscribe button. If this video here is informative, just make sure you subscribe, man. That way you can stay in touch with all my other content. Hey.